In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change owner in Google Calendar. If you've ever scheduled a meeting and then realized someone else should be in charge, maybe a teammate is taking over the project or your availability has changed, transferring ownership is the cleanest way to hand off control. You'll need edit access to the event, and this option typically appears for the current organizer or someone with the right permissions on that calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. On the main calendar view, find the event you want to hand off. You can use the search bar at the top if your calendar is busy, or navigate to the correct date and time. Click the event once to open its quick details pop-up. From that pop-up, click the pencil icon to open the full event editor. This takes you to the detailed view where all settings are available. In the top right area, look for the More Actions menu. Click it, then choose Change Owner. A small window will appear asking for the new owner's email address. Type the email carefully since the transfer request will be sent there. You'll also see a message field. This is a great place to add quick context, like why you're transferring ownership or anything the new owner should know. When you're ready, click Change Owner to send the transfer. Here's what happens next. The person you named as the new owner will receive an email asking them to accept the transfer. Until they accept, you remain the organizer. Once they accept, they become the event owner and gain full control over details, guest lists, notifications, and any meeting links attached. You'll typically remain on the event as a guest, so you'll still get updates unless you remove yourself later. A few tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the change owner option, you may not be the organizer, your permissions might be limited by the calendar settings, or your organization's admin may have restricted transfers. In that case, reach out to the current organizer or your admin for help. For recurring events, ownership transfer usually applies to the entire series, which is ideal for long-running meetings. Guests will simply see that the organizer has changed. They don't need to take any action. That's it. Open the event, click the pencil, go to More Actions, choose Change Owner, enter the email, and confirm. With this handoff, the right person will be in charge, and your calendar stays accurate and organized.